everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in the series of honest reviews and I'm going to share about a very recent purchase of mine, that is a desk organizer. I bought this from Meesho. It is super affordable and just amazing quality. I mainly purchased it for organizing my brushes. I have around 150 brushes and I keep them in a cardboard box, but when I'm painting it's not very convenient, so I thought of buying this organizer. Although from the picture I expected it to be a little bigger in size, but when I assembled it and when I put all my brushes inside, then I felt that it is a perfect size and it's not smaller than what it should be. So you can see it can be assembled. These are the two bases. The one without the holes is the base and other one goes on the top, and rest four are the pillars. Let's assemble it together. It is extremely lightweight and you can see how easy it is to assemble this. And within seconds our organizer is ready to be used. Let me show this from all sides so that you get a better idea. You can see there are markings or indexes in the base also, so that when you keep anything inside, it does not slip. Let's keep all the brushes inside and see how many it can accommodate. Although there are 96 holes, that means you can keep 96 brushes, pencils, pens, markers or anything that you want to store here. But since I am using it for my brushes and you can see that some of the brushes are extremely thin, I can store multiple brushes in one section. That means I was able to store all my brushes, that is around 150 brushes in this box. But of course, if you are using it for pencil, marker or something broader, then definitely you would only be able to store 96. You can see how I'm carefully placing it from the top, but also making sure that it also goes inside the section of the base so that these brushes will not slip, they will stand upright. This is something I loved about it, because if there are only holes on the top, they will definitely slip out and they won't be just standing straight. This is a really great addition for your art corner and it makes it really easy to use, because you would be able to see all the brush sizes or the pencil colors or the marker colors and shades, everything very clearly, and it would save your time while working. You would be easily ready to choose. You can see all the colors in front of you and you can easily choose what you want to go for. I'll show you the close-up once I have kept all my brushes. You can see I kept all the 96 brushes first, and then the rest of the brushes I'm just inserting in the gaps in all the sections where I have kept thin brushes. They can easily accommodate one or two more. Now here is the final look. You can see how organized this looks and how clearly I can see all the brush sizes and shapes. And when I'm working, it would really make my life a lot easier. The link to purchase is in the description box below. Subscribe if you love